Efficient cleaning routines for busy homes, a Comfy Maid's Guide. In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, we understand that keeping your home spotless can be a challenge. But what if we told you there are secrets to simplifying your cleaning routine and tailoring it perfectly to your busy lifestyle? In our exclusive Comfy Maid's Guide, we unlock the secrets of streamlined cleaning strategies. From high-traffic areas to those forgotten corners, we show you how to maximize cleanliness in record time. Because we know your time is valuable. We understand that every home is unique. That's why at Comfy Maids, we focus on personalized cleaning solutions. Have you ever wondered how to adapt your cleaning approach to the specific needs of your home? Our guide has all the answers. At Comfy Maids, we incorporate cutting-edge technology for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Would you like to streamline your routine with just a few clicks? We show you how. Discover more secrets, more efficiency, and more excellence with Comfy Maids. Because your home deserves the best. Visit our website and join the cleaning revolution at Comfy Maids. Transform your home today.